With the festive season and summer upon us, pots are a beautiful addition to any garden and any entertaining area. And there's pretty much a pot for every occasion. Whether it's a feature urn in a garden, the oxide effect feature pots amongst your roses with exotic bromeliads, or beautiful bowls with flowers, succulents, or even water lilies, there is a pot for every occasion. This is a classic example. Now, I've got this beautiful atrium area. We spent a lot of time here, but we're looking back onto this, and it's a dog's breakfast, quite literally. And there's the bin with the dog food in it, the hose reel, and of course the wood box for the pizza oven. It just doesn't look good. So screening it off's really important. Now, there's several ways you can do it, but one way that's really effective is to use a rectangular planter. And previously, in my potting projects, I've been using ceramics and clay. This time, I'm going to fiberglass. Typically, large rectangular planters in clay or concrete would be too heavy to move, so I've chosen fiberglass this time. This is typical of most small businesses. They hand select only the best quality and provide exceptional personalised service. And of course, guarantee everything they sell. Great thing about fiberglass is it is so light. So what I'm going to do here is just set this on top of those little chocks down underneath, and you can see how good it looks. Funny thing about it is you might think it's fiberglass, so it's not very tough, but in actual fact, if it's made the right way, it is the toughest material, a lot tougher than ceramics, even concrete. And look at the finish. This is white terrazzo. It's absolutely gorgeous. Got a lovely finish, doesn't fade, lasts forever, looks great. And my goal of compartmentalising this area off, screening everything away, well, it's working a beauty already. These pots are sealed and have no holes in the base, which makes them ideal for indoor use. But if you're using them outdoors like I am, then adding some holes to the base is super easy to do with a drill. The plants I'm using are reddish pink foliage cordyline. It's a special variety called Ruby. But the key to growth and success with any potted plant is in the soil. Now, potting mix is absolutely everything when it comes to getting results with plants. Some people think that they're saving a few bucks occasionally to buy the cheap one, but it'll be the biggest regret you ever have. This potting mix is the one that I go to every single time. It's a premium mix, and it's got everything these plants are going to need to grow, not just to do okay, but to absolutely thrive. And that's critical if you want to have the most beautiful garden.